Okay, all the front fans are installed. There are 3 Natura fans. There are intake fans. There we have an exhaust fan here at the top, also a Natura fan. The 3 fans in the front are 120 fans. The one on top here is a 140 fan, exhaust fan. We have another exhaust fan here at the back, which is 120. And we have our heat sink installed. This is the Mugen 5 from Scythe. We got our Radeon graphics card here. And everything is, we'll plug it in and see how it goes. All right.